Dope, dope, dope. Let's see if we are live real fast. Check in on the stream. Check in on the stream. There we go. I heard the alert. You heard the alert. It is time to get popping. What's up, everyone? With a noisy background. Welcome to CryptoPlunder. My name is J. Tragic Jeffrey, and there will be no champagne sipping, no crypto pumping. I can only give you the real in the crypto world. Today is May 20th, 2021, and as I said, I've got a bunch of noise in my background. So let's get in it. Let me go on my screen over here so you can see my screen. My screen is up. It's all the way up. Now let me see. Hold on one second. Let me just check the get my chat screen over here for myself. I seriously doubt anybody's going to be chatting with a dude, so I'm not worried about that at this momento. Just give me a second. I just gotta get on my channel. Get on my level. Get on my level. There we go. All right. Let's see the chat now. Where can I move this damn thing? It's in my way. Can't say. It's in my way. There we go. All right. There. Now I can be able to see what's going on here. I can see the chat. I doubt anybody's going to show up for this one, but that's all right. So what's going on, everyone? I know there's a lot going on in the market, and I don't want to waste a lot of our time. I know we need to be busy, be productive. Again, my name is J. Tragic Jeffrey. I have been doing and being inside the crypto space for multitudes of years. For those of you that are new, as you can see on the site, it's been 3 years since I've been doing these videos. And I'm just getting back in. If you watch these videos, which some of it's still relevant, especially with all the FUD from China, that if you're watching what's going on, a lot of the stuff, and it's crazy, I was watching some videos and just kind of catching up on some of what I was doing. And as I'm watching these videos, I'm sitting there going, wow, this thing is replaying out the same way it did before. And it's kind of creepy. What I'll do is, let me go into my my video. Actually, let me go into my playlist. And underneath my playlist, I actually have, is that CryptoPlunder? Where are you, CryptoPlunder? I thought I had a due diligent CryptoPlunder. There we go. Let me not play that. I don't want it played. I just want the playlist, man. I just want the... really? This is what we're gonna do? That is so annoying. Alright, anyway, like I was saying. On my playlist, on CryptoPlunder, if I can just click that and not have anything go on. There we go. If you look to the side, I think it's gonna come up. It's lagging right now. I think it's one of these. Gunbot, Jamie Dimon. This is episode 12. Jamie Dimon was talking about he was gonna fire people if they got into crypto, and now JP Morgan. You can see what's going on. And I was saying what was happening. I called dips back in the past. There's been so much. I'm trying to find something something specific on my CryptoPlunder list, but I'm not seeing it. Hold on, it's driving me crazy. I gotta see it. Hold on, give me a second. Let me look. This is Warbotting, Gumbot. Here it is. Episode 10, the bloodbath. There's blood. Yeah, this China crypto thing happened, and it was a bloodbath, like murdered blood. And you can see 3 years ago, I'm talking about crypto FUD from China, Neo versus China. So like 2 months, like back to back. or a few weeks back to back of just BS crypto issues, right? And my thing is that the same situation is happening now, but just a little bit different. Like, all right, so let's look at. I have some news. All right, so the biggest thing. Let's just jump into it. Let's just jump into it. I was gonna talk about news and talk about all this, but I know the biggest problem that cats are talking about in the Discord right now, like the biggest problem that's happening inside the Discord, is people wondering like what they invested in, what is Bitcoin, uh, why am I like it's gone down? Is it gonna go back up? Should I get this coin, that coin, whatever coin? All right, look, this is what Bitcoin is, guys. What is the internet? The internet is a series of servers, right? Machines that are just out there. Like I can buy a bunch of machines, put them out there, and then create a website that allows you to get hosting for your web page on my site, right? So if I have that going on, that's I'm making money from my machines that host your web page. That is so annoying. Why are alerts coming up? Didn't I just tell your stankin' ass I didn't want no damn alerts? Like, are you serious, Coinergy? You're gonna get kicked the hell out of my damn shit because I do not want no damn alerts, especially no order alerts. Like, why we got order alerts? Like, are you serious? In the middle of my damn live stream, are you serious? Hold on, y'all, because that right there just annoyed the hell out of me to no end. Because I just set this up and just shut all that crap off, saying I don't want none of that shite going down in my damn shite. Settings. Preferences. I think that's going to be the preferences. That's what this is. Really, Coinergy? Really? Really? That's how we're gonna do this? That's how annoying you're gonna make my life? Are you serious right now? I'm in the middle of my stream. I'm gonna have to hear. All right, so I'm just gonna have to keep that off. Like for real, I'm gonna have to turn that off because I can't have all that damn sound in my shite. Like for real, for real. Sorry, y'all. Like this is not what I was expecting to be popping off in the middle of this. I was not expecting that shit at all. And this was BTC. There's a reason I even have this crap. And unfortunately, it's going to be one of those things where this is an old version of this damn site. And it evidently does not have a feature for me to turn that off. Or I just don't know how to turn that crap off. So I'm sorry, but it's going to be annoying. All right, anyway, Bitcoin is energy, guys. So what you see here is energy going up. Look at this. From December, starting in January, and shooting up 2021, how much Bitcoin that is on this market continues to go up. How much energy, how much energy, how many computers, how many systems are mining Bitcoin, they're consuming. It's continuously going up. In fact, just shooting through the roof, right? So that means people are validating these transactions. What does that mean? That means if I build a machine, I am building that machine right now to be able to mine Bitcoin. Right now, I'm getting the best stuff to get the best number or best amount that I can afford to be able to buy my machines to do this. Now, if I'm doing that, in 4 years, when Bitcoin halvens again, because we just had a halvening last year, that means how much you make per Bitcoin gets cut in half. Right? Which means I now have to buy more machines. That's what's happening right now. While you see GPUs are disappearing and there's no GPUs and all this stuff, that is exactly why. When I say GPUs, for those of you that are not in the gaming industry, GPUs are the graphics processing units, the video cards used to mine Ethereum or any other of these cryptocurrencies. I'm trying to see. I'm over here looking to see whether or not I had something about hardware. I think I talked about it, but I may not have put any make an actual video about that. Yo, that is so annoying, y'all. I apologize again. I'm gonna have orders all damn day, and I'm not gonna be using this side of this stuff anymore. I put this up. In fact, let's go ahead and get this out of the way so I can actually show you some stuff about this. All right, this chart, as you see it right here, this is crypto going up. It hits and it crashes. Now I actually, I think I can close this crap. Oh, I have this out for one particular purpose, and I put this in the Discord, and I'm just gonna get this out of the way really fast. All right, back here in 2017, China FUD, right? China FUD happened. Let's do this in a week level so that you can see what this looks like when it looks crazy, right? Hold on, I'm trying to. There we go. There we go. Sorry. Getting used to this old way of doing it over here. So here, China FUD happens here, right? Then when you zoom in, when you go into like, if we take the past and we say the past never even happened, and we're just focusing on right now. Right now, this is what's going on. Let's say if I was in this world right now, this time of 2017, and I see this dip happen, right? This is China's FUDding out. As I said, China FUD. This was when China FUDded out. It dipped, and then it bounced, and then it went on a tear. And then it got to this point where now, when China FUDded out, we were right around $3,000 or so, $3,000, $4,000. Then we jump all the way to double digits, 16, 11, 15, $16,000. We up here, 16 grand, right? And then 2 months we crash back down. Then we get a little bit of pump, and boom, we crash all the way back down to 7,000. So you can see you went up double digits, you crash all the way back down. I mean, if we go into the future, we're crashing all the way back down, 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 down to this level, back down to 3,000. See, China FUD started here. We ran all the way up. We crashed all the way back to that FUD point, and then went back up on where we're going on a tear for here. But then there was this sideways long time of we ain't doing jack. This point of my life, starting right here, is where things got rough, and I had to figure some new stuff out in my life. In this time, I've gone back into development, gone into graphic design, did a lot of things to earn money to get back into this market. But this entire time, I'm asleep. I am asleep at the desk. I am not doing anything. I'm working with right around here. I'm working on with a real estate investor, finance real estate investor. And he was doing wealth education. I was working with him. Non-disclosures. I am not talking about it. I was working with him, and at the beginning of the peak of the pandemic, things got crazy, and I took the disease serious because I had dated an epidemiologist in the past, and I was like, nah, I'm taking this mad serious, though. I'm out. And I quit so that I could not, deal with what was coming. So in that time, I'm also beginning right around, let's see, this is June. My mom issues start right around May-ish, June, right here. So all of this, altcoins pump up and all this, I miss all this run up because I'm not paying attention. I'm taking care of ailing parent all through here. I start getting a little bit back into it in December of 2020, and then of course we just keep January we go up another step, and now we've come back down here. Now let me explain something to you. All right. And on this Seasons of Bitcoin, is like that old screen I showed you is my old Seasons of Bitcoin. This is my new one. I don't have like the China FUD and all that stuff on here. I'm really focusing on right now, what did I think this chart was going to do? right? So if you look at this, I have a Fibonacci retracement chart up. At least I believe that's what this is. I don't really keep up with all this stuff. I just kind of like trained in it, realize it's functional, and things tend to work and bounce where those things tend to bounce. Now I don't know if I've got this exactly perfect, but I want to I could move this dot over here and say the run started here, right? But I really want to be on the negative side of this trade here, where it's still not the beginning of the run, but it's kind of the run is trying to start here. The run already started here. You're up. The run is trying to start here. So I want to have this here and I want to drag it up. So run's here. I move it up here. And I'm trying to see where's a red zone to sell out. Where's a good zone for me to take in my profits. This yellow zone is where you take profits. The red zone is where you're greedy. Okay? Yellow zone take profit. Red zone is greedy. So what did we do? We went up. We went up. These are all zones you should be buying. Boom. Or you've bought. Boom. You're getting. You've got what percent? You got your 0.3. Boom. You've got all the way up here. And now all of a sudden you're in this yellow zone. You need to be selling. Look what happened. Right when it crossed in, of course we have the FUD. The FUD helps. China's FUD helps. Elon's FUD. China FUD. Crash. That simple. Put this into 2 weeks. All right? Put this in a week so that you see the individual weeks. Elon FUD. China FUD. This is all Elon FUD. All of this. Then China helps. That's why I say, guys, the seriousness of how we handle trades, the serious of how we handle our revenue has to be smarter than what we're dealing with currently, right? Why? We have to be smart with how we handle our cash flow when it comes to this, because this is energy, plain and simple. Bitcoin is nothing more than servers generating an algorithmic equation to be able to validate that transactions happen. Somebody has to win, somebody has to lose. The computers that win get Bitcoin. The computers that lose get to churn on and try to keep churning and try to get the next lot on, right? That's what we're dealing with. This thing bounced right down to this line, broke through. Now I have my monthlies and I have weeklies. I will explain these in another video for those of you that have not watched the other videos where I do explain this. But I got a monthly line here, and I have these blue weekly lines, right? It broke through this. When you break a monthly line, that's a big line. That is the sentiment of a month's worth of data, where people, the market has determined that this is a bounce point for the month. The market has determined that these are the price points we want for the week. Damn thing glitched out on me for a second, right? So when you break through, what I've noticed is when it breaks through a month line, it breaks down hard. Then it went back to this month line. It broke through, but it caught itself because there's a double month line right there and pulled itself right up. So right here, these 2 month lines, just me drawing those lines in, it shows me that this is now a window of a wall of money. When you see double purple lines close together, that's going to be another wall of money. And then when you get all to these bottoms, that's crazy. But we're not going back down here. Like, that's not happening. There's just too much computer power. There's too much power generating for it to go back down. There's too much scarcity. The biggest thing you have to remember about Bitcoin with a scarcity play, right? If you're thinking of this as a scarcity play, is there is only $21 million worth of Bitcoin, right? So imagine that. There's only 21 million. There's only ever going to be 21 million. Only ever going to be 21 million. Unless they fork and change everything about Bitcoin, which then the miners have to agree to that. Unless they make some major change and then get a mass approval to this isn't going anywhere, right? And as Bitcoin continues to grow and continues to do what it does as far as people coming in and buying it, it makes it even more scarce, right? It makes Bitcoin scarce because there's only 900 that can mint a day, something like that, right? Bitcoin, and the last Bitcoin gets minted somewhere in the year 2040, 2140, which is 118 years from now. Institutions are buying up Bitcoin like crazy, right? There is nobody that should be not looking at Bitcoin's scalability proposition when it comes to, not scalability, when you look at the scarcity proposition of Bitcoin. 18 million are gone, 21 million ever, 118 years until Bitcoin's last Bitcoin is done. Oh, and miners have to keep upgrading every 4 years to get better hardware to keep mining Bitcoin. Do you see the dog chasing the tail type things going on? So, the biggest thing that you need to think about when it comes to what's going on with Bitcoin is that as people, institutions, which have been keeping quiet because they're buying it off over the counter, OTC, they're buying it behind the scenes, so they're not even tracking that crap at all. It's broke right here, bounced right off, it's gonna shoot back up. Why? It has no choice, y'all. Where else is it gonna go at this point? How else is Bitcoin going to scale, as far not scale, or how else is Bitcoin going to go further down if everybody's buying it, if every company's buying it, right? Now, do I believe that Bitcoin should be the only thing in your portfolio? Again, this is not financial advice because I am not trying to be part of your financial advisory board. But I need you to understand something. Let's take Ethereum, right? If anything, you could look at Ethereum and see how big this industry is going to go. Take every bit of Bitcoin's processing power. Don't use it to just do some mathematical equation. Actually have applications doing work on top of all those machines. Huh? Yeah, man. Absolutely insane. Absolutely insane what is coming. And that's just Ethereum. So then if you look at Ethereum's price, now that we can go into a little bit of news. Now that I'm telling you, I'm not worried about this crap right here. Not worried. I've been buying up all of this. I've been buying all of this. And I've even said it in the Discord. I am buying it all. Because if I believe that this investment is going to be scarcer next year than it is this year, why am I not buying it? Do I think Bitcoin will disappear in another 4 years? I saw Bitcoin at 20 in the year 2013 or 2012. That's when I saw Bitcoin. I couldn't understand it, so I thought, oh, that's a scam. I'm not dealing with that. But then I started understand. Then when I saw Ethereum, I was like, oh, I'm starting to get this. Bitcoin is just the number value of making money. It's just the numbers going back and forth, and the transaction is the database, right? So really, Bitcoin is just a big ass database that everybody agrees that the data that is on the database is all the freaking same. That everybody has the right version of it, and you get paid to validate that statement. What happens when every other website or companies like Cardano start doing that, right? What happens when a Cardano starts doing that? What happens when Polkadot starts doing that? Or the next company, whoever it is, it really doesn't matter, right? Everybody is, look at this, EY is getting into DeFi. Tether is coming onto Coinbase. I know that. I think it's already there. And Tether, let's go. So some of y'all I know really want to look at this. Oh damn, you can't see the screen. Damn. Sorry. Oh man. Hold on. Let me see if I can drag this. Oh wait, no, it's working. Okay, cool. Hold on. Yeah. Good. All right, this is what you want to see. Yeah, I can do it. Good. All right, so check this out. This is my high risk bots that are running on BitsGap right now. Link is in to actually see my bots. Oh shoot, my bad. I had turned that off. I don't know why it was off, but all my bots have been on for 24 hours, 1 day, 3 hours. Had to get all my bots back on yesterday. As you can see, these guys have been trading in and out of all of this. $342 in less than 24 hours. That's what I'm saying. I'll be working on this. I'll be working on this. Like I said, the I'll be working on teaching this. I'm working on the video for this tomorrow, and that's gonna be an actual recording that I do internally. I just gotta sit down and map it out so that I can show you how to do, how to set all these up. But not only did this bot do well, let me see. This is the moderate. Oh damn, this thing fell out of range. I will have to fix that. It has fallen out of range. All right. So yeah, some of these companies have fallen out of range or is wigging the hell out. I don't know. There's a crazy. Coinbase has been cracking out, but as you can see, even Coinbase has done in 24 hours has done at least some profitability. Coinbase is going to have a lower interest rate that comes out of it. So why am I showing you this? I'm showing you this because I'm not speculating in crypto anymore. I can't really do that long term, and it doesn't make sense for me. Why it doesn't make sense? It won't make sense for me to do that kind of thing when here's the last peak. Reason why I'm not, the bots for me, why I'm using the bots. This run up, even this little run up right here doesn't happen every day. Even the little runs you can't see all the way back when this was the highest high. Like, look at that. We ran up here, we ran down, and then look at all this time. Like, look at this gap from here between November the 19th to the November the 19th, 2018, right? November 2018, November 19, 2018 to right around here, right? This is April of 2019. The bots would have been killing it right here and right here and right here and right here, and even playing in this little wobble right here. It would have been a little bit of a problem right here, but then you turn your bots back on and ride all of this up the hill, right? That's why I'm concentrating on robots now, and why back at CryptoPlunder, why when I come back here and I show you that it's been 3 years since the last time that I did a video, and I kept saying, earn your crypto, earn your crypto, earn your crypto. I was studying all types of things, but the bot thing, I knew when the technology got right, I'd be able to sit in these positions. And these are the times the bots are going to go insane and make the most amount of profitability through this big ass window. Not this quick little spike right here. This does nothing for me. That does nothing. I mean, that makes some money. That's amazing money for all my altcoins and everything else. Small cap joints that I might want to, jump into. Things I want to jump into that that break out and get us a lot of profit, yay, yay. But nah, man, right here, this window is where your biggest profitability zone for the robots will be. How do I know that? I go into my hours and I can show you this is where my bots are killing it right now. This zone right here. Watch. I'm gonna show you. Let me go to the main one. Let me get you down here. Let me grab one that is pretty stable. Think this one. No, that one's crazy. Matic is seemingly stable, right? If we go long term. Yeah, there we go. So this is, I can't really, oh, you know what? Better yet. Sorry. Let's go. Give me my profit with sort by profitability. Give me one that's a little bit more stable. I will say Cody was stable. Oh, they're not even trying to let me see my dots. Yeah, they're not showing. Something's glitching out. They're not showing me my trade dots. But I guess Cody here will be good because it's not showing me. But like this. You see how this is playing sideways? Kind of sideways? It's like in between this well is where my profitability is getting mixed in. Buy down here, sell up here, buy down here, sell up here. So it's cracking these buys and sells all day. So if you have something that plays and like it's going sideways like this, it's killing it. I wish I had the thing working. For some reason, the spots are not showing up. See, the dots are not showing here, or I'd show you. Let me see if I refresh it, if it acts right. Give me a second. Let me see if I give it a refresh. And she is not going to be nice today. Nope. All right, so no. For some reason, it's only going to do it on this page. But like you can see it here. Again, it went down a little bit and then rode it up. And the reason why this looks crazy is because it's a small gap. I started the bot there, but then the bot moved up. And I have it trailing up right here. So it follows the market up. So even if the coin is down here price wise and then it's going up and it goes out of the boundary that you see here, it will keep following it up and keep making profitabilities up. All right, because I have a small 14 grid window. So that's what you see here. These are grids, 14 grids lines, and a profitability of 1.98% for these lines, almost 2%. That's what I'm doing here to be able to maximize profitability, right? So, like I said, what's going on with the market happened already. Crap like this happened years ago. Like I said, China got into the game last time. China fudded out 3 years ago. China fudded out, brought the market down. They did it again, brought the market down. But all of these people are buying in. I'll put the screens in the Discord later when I do the research later this evening. But I can show you that institutional investors or people that have way more money than us are buying way more amounts of cryptocurrency. All right. So, again, there is no reason to wig the hell out. There is no fires happening. Nobody is, the big companies are not disappearing out of crypto. Ethereum isn't going anywhere. Cardano is still going to be announcing. And what's telling, like what's supremely telling, hold on, let me add one more screen to the right of this one. And let me get you a coin market cal. Yeah, that one. Bang. Right? Let me just show you what you can do. You can go to coin market cal, right? When you go to CoinMarketCal, what's here? This is cryptocurrency calendar. This is all the stuff that's happening in cryptocurrency. Soon. It's about to happen, right? All you have to do is go here and click significant and then hit search, right? These are all these significant things that are about to happen on all of these networks in the next few weeks to months. What do you see? July, May 31st, June, Polkadot token minting in August, Taproot for Bitcoin in November, activation of Taproot in November. See, June. Let's just do Cardano. Like how you can do is you can just put their ticker in. ADA is the ticker. Hit that. Boom. Here you go. May. ADA Pay. ADA Pay release expected in May. Late April. Alonzo Testnet starts in May. That's significant, right? Let's just get the hot stuff from ADA because I think there's more. Nope, that's it. All right. Give me, hold on, relevance and hit search. Okay, that's all. So yeah, that's really it. For Cardano, we have these two things that's getting ready to jump off. If you look at, hold on, let's go to actually significant back here. And then let's scroll down. There's another one I'm looking at. Pancake Swap. That is going to be also on the Binance. Ooh, that's Binance. So that's going to be interesting. June. Neo. Stellar. I don't care about that. So you see, all of this stuff is getting ready to happen. All of this news is getting ready to go. May for Crypto.com. VeChain has Thor getting ready to roll. Algorand is launching their first IDO. Qtum's doing a halving. Like, so there's all this stuff getting ready. When's that halving? Hold on. I need to look at that too. Was that slipped by me? Because I actually have some of that. September. Need to look at that. Gravity Bridge for Cosmos. There's so much, guys. Like, I can just go scrolling forever. There's a lot coming in June and July. And why I say June and July is important is if you go back to the past, let me go back to give me the 1 week, actually give me 1 month, and zoom back out on this 1 month chart and go back even further. Give me a second. I hate this old style damn one. Okay, here we go. Damn, stop. There. All right. This is so annoying. I hate this damn thing. All right, so again, China FUD run up, right? You have the crash. Look where we were. We were at $400, $300. And then it ran up all the way to like ridiculous. Like it touched like 16 or 18 and then dropped. Like that is going to happen all over again. But I'm trying to see if we're going to do another breakout and break to a higher. Right now, we are right where I think that this is the zone. We haven't certified it, but I want to see if if this weekly becomes if something gets an average for this. I want to see if there's going to be something that ends up showing up here to be another support system. But right now, the fundamentals for Bitcoin is still strong. The fundamentals for what's going on in June and July. Oh, what I was going to show you was this run for this. That's what I want to do. Oh, gosh. There we go. Get closer. There we are. There we are. Let me zoom in. Can I double click? Oh, there we go. So 2017, I want you to see something. Do you see something? You don't see something. You see? Let's go into weekly and zoom back out. Okay. I want you to see. Damn. Here we go. Here we go. All right. June is when I really decided I'm going to get back into the market heavy, got my trading account rolling. Okay. This is June 2016. No, actually, no. No. That is not the truth. Hold on. Give me a second. No. 2017. Bitcoin far. 2016. SEC. Bitcoin fork FUD. Right. Then, yes. Okay. I came back into the market. I went backwards and started mapping out things when I was starting to do this thing. But anyway, I got up here and I looked at this and look here. So March, right? March, right? Doom, right? We go up. We're in June. June, July, boom. The third week of July, surge. Third week, July, surge. Then, subsequent crash. So, do I feel like Bitcoin is going to play out the same way it did back in 2017 with a summer full of a bunch of news and then boom, a breakout? Why would I say that's going to happen? Because I have a summer of full of news. Full of news. Upgrades, major upgrades for Ethereum, major upgrades for a lot of stuff. Full of news. ETH. London, Ropstein in June. Yeah, I think that's it. So look at this. Just for Ethereum alone. Expected to come this July. This is huge. Look at the week it's coming. 3rd to 4th week of July. Do you not think that it's going to do? And they planned. Do you don't think that they planned to make sure that their software was going to release right when it had the best opportunity for a breakout? This is where I bought. That's what I think that signal is that I made a purchase here. Hold on one sec. That's my dogs making a bunch of damn noise. Hold on. Let me put this on mute because evidently it's... okay. I think we're good. Jeez. All right. So like I was saying, you don't think this is going to be another run? You don't think this is happening? It's happening. It's going to happen the same exact way it happened last time, y'all. All right? So I just wanted to show you this. I didn't want to spend too much time on this, but I wanted to show you that what you see in the past is happening right now. We've got our China FUD. I will mark it on this new list, but I believe we're going to break back out. We broke right where it needed to break. I think it's going to break back to the top. And because of this news, we're going to get a new pump to go higher. Now, I'm going to be back into recording more. I'm going to be getting back. I'll be in the Discord if you have any questions. If there's anything that y'all need videos for, just let me know in the Discord and or in the chat. All right? So y'all be safe. Y'all keep strong. I'll talk to you.